Docking practice on a floating dock in St. Petersburg, Florida, Maximo Marina. The helmsman and the deckhand are using headsets. Okay. We're on standby. We got a boat coming. Where is he? Okay, so we got a little bitty trailer boat coming in, waiting for him to get out of the way. Okay, where's your money? Right turn or left turn?
I say right.
Would that be in front of our right or his left?
In front of us, yep, that's what I'm guessing.
Well,
I think he's going to go for the dry dock.
he's going to go for the high and dry that's behind us. Okay, let him get past us because we don't want him loitering when we blast off. Okay, nobody else coming down the canal. All right.
Okay, let's square up again.
All right. Open the midship line.
She's going to flip it off the cleat. Okay, he did a little bow thrust left to keep us parallel to the dock. Got a big, heavy, thick line that got stuck underneath the cleat. Okay, on this boat, she's going to walk forward. Across the bow. In the pilot house door on the starboard side. Out the back door where we cannot see. And there she is, back on the port stern. Flip it off the cleat. Free boat. Here we go. Free boat. So we're going to do the door hinge pivot off of the port stern. Starboard reverse gear. There we go. We're doing good. And then we're going back to our slip, straight down that canal to the right hand side. Rigid, rigid.